New for Xiaomi PGD Android smartwatch is a cutting-edge wearable device designed for men, offering an impressive blend of functionality and style. With its 1.99-inch color display, the watch features an aspect ratio close to the golden ratio, providing a visually appealing design that enhances wrist aesthetics. Constructed from CNC aluminum alloy, it is wear-resistant, impact-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and non-allergic, ensuring durability and comfort for everyday use. This smartwatch is not just a fashion statement, but also a practical tool for modern living. Equipped with global communication capabilities, the watch supports all network cards and internet access through a built-in SIM card slot. It is compatible with 2G, 3G, 4G, and even 5G networks, enabling seamless connectivity for calls, messaging, and online activities. The HD dual camera system, 200W plus 500W, with a CMOS sensor allows users to capture high-quality photos and videos, making it perfect for sharing moments on social media platforms like WeChat and QQ. Additionally, the watch supports video chats and contactless payments via QR code scanning, offering convenience for both personal and professional use. For those who value fast and reliable internet access, new for Xiaomi PGD smartwatch provides Wi-Fi and global communication network support, allowing users to switch effortlessly between different connections. Its high-speed and stable wireless internet access ensures smoother operation, whether browsing the web or making video calls. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who need constant connectivity while on the go, ensuring they stay connected without interruption. One of the standout features of this smartwatch is its accurate GPS positioning system. For outdoor enthusiasts, carrying a phone during sports activities can be cumbersome. With the built-in GPS, Beidou, and GLONASS satellite systems, the watch offers precise motion trajectory tracking, helping users record their exercise data comprehensively. This makes it an ideal companion for runners, cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts who want to monitor their progress effectively. Under the hood, the smartwatch is powered by the SP9832E quad-core processor, available in 16GB or 64GB storage options. This processor efficiently handles sports and health data, delivering lower power consumption while maintaining high performance. By integrating intelligent algorithms, the device optimizes battery life and endurance, ensuring prolonged usage without frequent recharging. Overall, Android smartwatch combines advanced technology with sleek design, catering to the needs of tech-savvy individuals seeking both style and functionality. Available on Aliexpress, it represents a significant leap forward in wearable technology.